In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how I was able to make $900 yesterday, working only about 20 minutes. Now, this method and formula that I'm going to share with you as you watch this entire video, especially towards the end, because you really need to understand all four of these simple steps, will allow you to go out there and start to create income, even if you're brand new, even if you've never done anything like this before. And the reason I'm so confident is because I've shared this method with a lot of other people that were from around the world, no tech ability, and they were also able to create results. So how was I able to do this? I'm going to get into it right now. Now I have this handy dandy little document right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each of these four pieces. And if you miss any one of these, you will not be able to make the same amount of results, okay? So what is this very first step that I took to get to the $900 yesterday, okay? Now, this is very, very powerful. A lot of people don't understand this, but step one is I highly recommend you promote a mid-ticket program, okay? Anywhere that's gonna pay you from $250 all the way up to $900. The way I made this money right here was I promoted a affiliate program. Now, the reason I like promoting affiliate programs is because you don't have to deal with the fulfillment of the product. You don't have to deal with the customer service. You don't have to test different websites and create different copywriting and all this other stuff. That's already done for you. All you have to do is get people to that product, okay? And when someone buys through your link, you get a percentage of the money, okay? That's what I like to do. It's easier, it's faster. And so again, when I did this yesterday, all I did was I just sent people to a program, and then the program did all the telling and selling for me. Now, if I go back here, I say promote a mid-ticket program, okay? There's three types of programs. There's low ticket, mid-ticket, and high ticket. Low ticket, the reason I don't like low ticket is because the payouts are incredibly tiny, okay? So if you're promoting a product that's gonna pay you less than about $250, something like $50, then you need a ton, okay, to make any good money. If you promote a high ticket product, the problem there is, you may think, wow, but I could promote a product that pays me $5,000. But there's two main problems. Number one, a lot of affiliate programs that you want to promote and make money with are pay to play, okay? So you have to actually invest your money into it to be able to promote it. So if you don't want to spend, thousands and thousands of dollars to promote a product, that's the first problem. And the second problem is you're going to have to do a lot more work and a lot more convincing of that person to get them to part with money, that amount of money. A mid-ticket offer is more like an impulse buy, okay? So people will often, if they're serious about making money, they'll invest $300, they'll invest $600 without doing a lot of research or without doing a lot of talking to you, okay? Because if you want money coming in as easy and as little effort as possible, and maybe you're someone that's introverted, I'm pretty introverted. I'm pretty, after talking to people, I get drained and I need to go away and think, right? So for me, if I have to get on the phone with someone or really convince them and go back and forth, that's a lot of effort for me, okay? So I just want as easy, as simple, as automated as possible. And that's why I highly recommend a mid-ticket program. Now, the second part, okay, is you now want to post ads on high traffic websites. So now that you have a program that you're promoting, you want to post advertisements on websites that are getting a ton of visitors on there, okay? So a lot of examples can be social media platforms because there's millions of people on there. And you want to post advertisements on there. Now, that's what I did, okay? I actually took ads. And a lot of people don't understand what an ad is. It's simply a piece of content, could be an image, a text, a video. And what it's doing is it's basically just sharing an opportunity and then giving a call to action. So it's telling people, hey, if you want to learn more, comment this word. Or if you want to learn more, message me. Okay, so you're basically just posting an ad and you're doing it in a place that's going to attract your target customer, okay? So for example, if I am promoting a product that teaches people how to make money online, how to make $900 a day, then I can post content on, hey, I just found this amazing way to make $900 a day without bothering your friends and family without spending more than 30 minutes a day. If you want to discover more, comment info or message me. Okay, so that's an example, and that's what I did. Now, just real quick, because I know some people are wondering, how did I do the $900? Like, what affiliate program did I actually promote? I'll actually include a link directly below if you're watching this on YouTube or on Facebook. I may include it in the comments. But essentially, if you are interested, that is a mid-ticket program, and it does give you tons and tons of copy-paste done-for-you ads, as well as how to post on high-traffic websites to start to get results. Okay, and number 3, the third step you want to do, and the third step that I did, is you want to send interested people your link. Okay, so once you actually go out there, you post those ads. Okay, you're going to have people respond to those ads. So they may, again, say something like, oh, info, or I want information, or how does this work? Once you have those people responding, now you want to send them your link. Okay, now what is your link? This is just your affiliate link. Okay, so when you join an affiliate program, you will get your own customized link that tracks the sale to you. Okay, so when you refer someone to a sale and they buy, that money, okay, some of it will go to you. Now, the cool thing is with the link below, that's actually 100% commissions, which is virtually unheard of. All of the money will go to you, but you want to understand, you want to be sending people your link. Okay, that's the entire purpose of posting ads, is to get as many people to go to your link as possible. And then the last step is basically this one, which is you want to follow up 2 days later. Okay, now this is if you aren't using a done-for-you funnel. So what you want to realize is most people will not decide to buy right away. Most people will not see a video in front of them, go to a link, and then make a purchase instantly. They need more time, okay? Even though it's an impulse buy, like I said, they still may need like a few days to think about it. So you want to follow up. People are busy. If you don't have a done-for-you funnel, which again, the link below will give you that done-for-you funnel. So then you just send people to the link, and it will follow up with people on autopilot while you're away, while you're hanging out with your friends and family, doing the things you love to do with the people you love doing it with. But if you somehow are promoting something that does not have a done-for-you funnel, you would just message the people you sent the link to a couple days later and say, hey, I sent you that link. I'm just curious, did you check it out? And they're going to say yes or no. Based on what they say, you can go from there. If they say, yes, I checked it out. Okay, what did you like best about what you saw? Oh, I like this. Okay, great. Well, are you ready to get started? Right? You just want to kind of like walk them through joining at that moment. But that's basically it. These are the 4 steps to $900 days. Incredibly simple. Again, if you want to learn more and you're watching this on YouTube, be sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'm going to be posting daily videos walking you through how to make money in a way that's simple and easy. And also, again, if you want to check out the link, you can go there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.